everyone. Welcome to our Z screencast episode. This is Dr. Zizi, Shington EdTech Specialist. We are developing K-12 teachers ethic course to help our fellow educators in creating their own learning materials and explore various educational technology. In this screencast, I will be showing teacher hack on how to scan hard copy file and convert to PDF in 60 seconds. Using my Android phone, I installed Adobe Scan app, or you can use any scan app that is available. Next, just open the app, lighting for scanning. Hold steady and press the button. You can resize, and if you are not satisfied, you can retake. Now we're going to the next page. Steady and press the button. You can rename the file. So let's just say Unit 2, Lesson 1. You can also reorder, crop, rotate, color, or if you want to clean. And after that, you can save PDF. Yumi up to send. Click share. Share a copy. You can send it to your email, save to Drive, or to Messenger. You can also save to your phone, copy to device, and you're done. Thank you very much for watching my screencast episode. If you have comment and suggestion, feel free to email me. I also invite contributors in my EdTech journey. Welcome to my virtual world.